Hey Saab people, in today's video, I have something very exciting to share with you. I don't really know what to call it, whether it's a sponsorship or a showcase, but a good buddy of mine gave me some parts that he wanted me to throw on my car and test out for you guys. My friend Brighton, who works at NG Saab, likes to pioneer his own cool Saab products and put them on the market for us to enjoy. This product is all him, and I'm psyched to do the showcase and testing. Today, he has sent out a set of upgraded sway bar links that he has thought up for our cars. These sway bar links are super beefy and built to last. These are 2 times thicker than your OEM set, and they feature a stiff rubber bushing on each end that's nice and thick, rather than a typical ball or socket joint. This will increase cornering and steering response, but being that the bushing is rubber, it will still absorb a bit of the harshness from the ride, while remaining stiffer than OEM. I mean, just check this out. I can barely move these joints at all. That is crazy. Now let's get these on the car and check them out. Well, I just took off my Turbo X wheel, and I realized I just found my front end clunk. Depending on what brand of sway bar links you use will determine the size of what you need to take it off and the fashion it comes off in. This particular style features a 17 millimeter on the back using a wrench, and then it's a 19 millimeter to take it off. So I already zipped that off there. So we have our old one most of the way off. And as promised, here is the side-by-side view. As you can see, the upgraded one has to be at least 2 times thicker, possibly even 3 times as much material. It's a big difference. And also the joints in these, they've always free moved like this, even before I absolutely destroyed them. And these ones have like 0 play at all. Let's get these on. We've got it inside the bottom sway bar and inside of the sway bar mounting spot right here. Tighten these puppies down, see what happens. Neat. So as I look right here, there is a plate that bottoms out hidden by the polyurethane right there. Like these stock ones do, on the very end where the nut stops tightening up. That is pretty sweet. These look very, very nice on here. Get some up close shots of them on there. Very good. And as you can see in between here, it is seated all the way. These feel very sound. This seems to be a great product. Super excited to get this on the road. And I was hoping to see something better in that footage right there with the GoPro under the car. That was me jumping on and off of the 2.5-inch jump on the lift pad. And honestly, I didn't see much of a difference or feel one, but I didn't really expect to. When you have good sway bar links, you shouldn't feel anything crazy right there. So we'll get these on and we will get them on the road to see how they feel. We are about to go through a roundabout so I can feel if there is a difference or not in the steering. It should be a bit more responsive and there should be a little bit less body roll in the front end. Assisting that is also a strut bar that I have under the hood. Well, I don't know why there's like 20 box trucks going through this roundabout. This one is typically not this busy. My first corner felt nice and tight. Felt like a hell of a lot less body roll, but unfortunately we're not getting any speed through this roundabout. Speed limit's 25 and we're going about 10. We have got a decent corner coming up, so I will go ahead and hit that at a safe speed and see how much body roll we have a reduction in. And as you can see, this is about a 25-mile-an-hour corner. Let's go ahead and hit it. Wow, very little body roll and nice tight steering. We hit that corner at about 43 miles an hour. I normally slow down right to 30 on that one. So definitely a big difference here. It's hard to capture a feeling of before and after visually, but I do feel a strong difference. The best part is I can rest easy knowing I have a quality product installed tying everything together. I've tried all kinds of brands on sway bar links and none of them last. This set is totally different. I've been on them for a month and it's changed my confidence in cornering. These are available to buy directly from Brighton back on Facebook for a launch price of $60 at the time of this video release. And if you like this video and want to see more, leave a like, subscribe, and comment what you want to see next. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.